Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a small but extremely important car component, the wheel speed sensor. If your ABS light, traction control light, or stability control light suddenly comes on, your wheel speed sensor might be the reason. A wheel speed sensor, also called an ABS sensor, measures how fast each wheel is spinning. Your car uses this data to control ABS braking, traction control, stability control, hill start assist, electronic steering systems. If the sensor stops working, your car loses these safety functions. So how do you know your wheel speed sensor is failing? Here are the most common signs. 1. ABS light on 2. Traction control light on 3. Stability control off message 4. Speedometer may behave incorrectly 5. Car skids during hard braking 6. ABS doesn't activate 7. Noise from wheel area 8. Intermittent brake pulsation. If any of these appear, your car is trying to warn you. Wheel speed sensors usually fail due to dirt, debris, or mud buildup, damaged sensor wiring, corrosion in connectors, broken tone ring, water damage, worn wheel bearings. Even a small crack in the wiring can cause the sensor to stop working. Before replacing anything, diagnose the problem correctly. Step 1. Scan for error codes using an OBD2 scanner. Look for codes like C0035, C0040, C0045, or ABS sensor fault. Step 2. Inspect the wheel area for visible damage. Check sensor tip, wires, connector plug, tone ring. Step 3. Use a multimeter to test the sensor. If the sensor has no signal or incorrect resistance, it's faulty. There are 2 types of fixes depending on the issue. 1. Cleaning the sensor. If dirt or rust is blocking the sensor, remove the wheel, remove the sensor bolt, clean the sensor with brake cleaner, reinstall. Sometimes this alone solves the problem. White heavy check mark 2. Replacing the sensor. If the sensor is damaged, buy a new sensor, usually $20 to $60. Jack up the car safely, remove the wheel, unbolt the sensor, disconnect the wiring plug, install the new one. 3. Tone ring fix. If the tone ring is broken, replace the ring or replace the entire CV axle, common in front wheels. 4. Wiring repair. If wire is cut or corroded, repair connection using solder or a replacement harness. Here are some pro tips. Always check the wiring before buying a new sensor. Clean sensors every time you do brake service. Avoid pulling the wire too hard. It tears easily. If ABS light disappears after a restart, the sensor may be intermittent. Replace sensors in pairs for best performance. And that's everything you need to know about wheel speed sensors, what they do, why they fail, and how to fix them. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.